raindrops fall upon the empty street, echoes of a love I can't keep. Every step a memory remains. I walk alone, longing in the rain, longing in the rain, heartache in every drop, dreams of your love that time cannot stop. I reach for you through the mist and pain, drenched in sorrow, longing in the rain. The night is cold, the sky is gray.
Memories of you won't fade away. Each puddle mirrors my hidden pains, reflecting the longing in the rain.
Longing in the rain, heartache in every drop, dreams of your love that time cannot stop. I reach for you through the mist and pain, drenched in sorrow, longing in the rain. Thunder rumbles like my restless heart,
Lightning strikes where we fell apart.
though the storm may end, the ache remains. Forever walking, longing in the rain,
Longing in the rain, heartache in every drop, dreams of your love.
the time cannot stop. I reach for you through the mist and pain, drenched in sorrow, longing in the rain. The rain will fade, but my soul will yearn
For the love I lost, I cannot return.
through every storm, through every pain. I keep on